You know what time it is. It's Red Velvet. Let's watch this. Feel my rhythm. Acrylic paintings. Wow, that gave me goosebumps. Whew. What a completely different sound. Ooh. Whoa. Oh, the note. Wow, they played off each other. Oh. This is such a unique song. And I love how they use staccato to get through that. It's like sharp and flat. I think it's sharp and flat there when they go there. Is that it? Bruh. Jesus. Bro, at the very beginning, it is such a different sound. Like the very first 30 seconds and then it kind of just explodes into this array of music that you don't realize. I didn't even realize it. I couldn't really talk because I just didn't know what was happening. Oh, it was so cool. The chorus at the end when they did like the da 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 something like that. It's sharp and flat. I don't know what notes there, but it's really cool. I especially like the parts where they implemented the rap stuff. Like it's like rap, but like not really. Is that the way to explain that? That's what it sounded like to me. It didn't sound like they were rapping. It just sounded like they were just speaking, and they just kind of just went through it. And then at some points of the chorus, they had the da 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 da. That was really cool as well. I think there were some like little implements of like the choreography. Some of the choreography reminded me of Psycho. I don't know what part it was at, but it was a really cool part, and I like saw it and I didn't address it fast enough, but it was really cool. There was the only high notes was when they were all singing together. There was no one really stood out in this song. Everybody was just kind of there, and I think that's the greatest part of this song is that Red Velvet. It just felt like it was red velvet, right? Um, but no, this song was crazy. It's so unique. So unique. Wow. Wow.